How to cancel an order in Shopee when already preparing to ship. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel an order in Shopee when already preparing to ship. To start, open up your web browser. Here, search for Shopee.com. Tap to open its official website. Here, tap on your profile from the top right corner of the screen. In your profile, tap on My Purchase option right below My Account. Here, you can see all of your orders that you have done. Tap on the To Ship section. Here, you'll find the orders that are preparing for shipping. Select the order you want to cancel and hit the Cancel button. After confirmation, your order will be canceled. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.